Welcome, welcome, welcome.
It's a little quiet in here.
Oh, you just beat the rush. Let me get your order before I get swamped.
I'll have a talam and froth. I'll have a...
What was that?
What was what? Oh, that's just my nephew and Chief O'Brien repairing some conduit. You'll get used to it.
The Klingon restaurant.
It would be quieter.
When are you two going to be done in there?
When the conduit is repaired and brought back up to safety specs.
Well, hurry up before I lose all my customers.
I need to get something.
What?
2 root beers?
Hyperspanner. Trolley coupler. How did you know I was going to ask for a phase decompiler?
I was paying attention, sir.
But you were, Cadet.
My father says I can learn a lot from you. He says you can fix anything.
An engineer. That's what we do. There. Good as new.
Amazing!
We repaired the leak right away, but the problem is worse than I thought. The entire plasma distribution manifold is shot.
Can you replicate a new one?
No. Cardassian manifolds use a beta matrix compositor which can't be replicated.
Oh, I suppose we could contact Gul Dukat and ask him if he has any spare manifold systems lying around.
I'm sure he'd jump at the chance to help us. Any other ideas?
We could send a salvage team to the abandoned Cardassian station in the Trevis system.
Empok Nor.
It's the same design as this station. The Cardassians pulled out about a year ago, but there's a good chance that the plasma manifold system is still operational.
What about Dominion activity in the area?
There hasn't been any for several months. Strategically, they seem to have lost interest in that sector.
But there is one problem. It's standard Cardassian procedure to booby-trap a facility before abandoning it, and a lot of the surprises they leave behind are specifically keyed to attack non-Cardassians.
Sounds like you should take a Cardassian along.
So what did Captain Sisko do to persuade you to come along?
How do you know I didn't volunteer?
He threatened you, didn't he?
Nothing so coarse. The captain bribed me. He offered to help me procure a larger space for my workshop. The latest dressmaking equipment is surprisingly bulky.
Well, whatever he did, I'm glad you're here. What's the matter?
Well, it's just that lately I've noticed everyone seems to trust me. It's quite unnerving. I'm still trying to get used to it. Next thing I know, people are going to be inviting me to their homes for dinner.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I promise I will never have you over.
I appreciate that, Chief.
Don't mention it. Anything to return the favor. Disarming Cardassian booby traps is my least favorite kind of engineering.
I can certainly understand that. But don't worry, I have some experience in that area.
Booby traps? I can't believe I let you talk me into volunteering for this.
Well, it beats working on the waste extraction system. Besides, how often does an engineer get to wear a phaser?
Hate to disappoint you, Pachetti, but the only thing you're going to be using that for? Shooting voles. Empok Nor's been abandoned so long, they're going to be hungry.
Don't worry. You play with your wrenches. We'll watch your backs. Can I help you, Cadet?
I'm reporting for duty. Sir.
Welcome aboard, Cadet.
Thank you, sir. And may I say it's a privilege to be here, sir.
You've earned it. But one more sir, and I'll leave you behind.
Very well, Chief.
Let's get going. Next stop, Empok Nor.